Welcome to my chaotic life. I'm really sorry there wasn't a video up on Sunday and Wednesday last week. Mentally, I just wasn't feeling it. My shoulder's killing me. I'm off to the doctor's this morning. Well, this afternoon at 3 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock now, so I'm going to put some makeup on. And I thought I would show you guys the makeup that I've been using. It's the makeup that I bought the other week when I did the haul video. So if you haven't seen that, I'll pop it in the description down below for you guys to check out. So I hope you're all well, and we're just going to start off with a little bit of skincare. So I have been using the Glow recipe. Oh my god, I'm crying. I'm nearly out of this already, guys. So it's the Glow recipe watermelon pink juicy moisturizer. This stuff is amazing, but it's hella expensive, like really bloody expensive. So I got this in a mystery box that I got off Danny DeFreitas, and hopefully I want to buy some more of his mystery bags in the future. So it might be around Christmas time that I do on my birthday and stuff like that, because they are kind of pricey, but they're worth it. They're so worth the price that he's charging. This afternoon I'm going to go and have a steroid injection. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that's going to be the solution, because believe you me guys, I would not wish this on anybody. It is the most excruciating pain I've ever felt in my whole bloody entire life, and I hate it. I just want to be back to normal. So I'm kind of resting it on my boob, basically. I'm resting my elbow on my boob because it really hurts. So I'm just going to do my brows as I normally would. So I'm going to just speed this bit up, because brows to me are personal and everybody does their brows differently, the way they like it. So I'm just going to put you on a time lapse while I do the brows. So now I've done my brows, I'm going to pop this Revlon Stay brow fibre stuff in my brows. Brow gel through my brows. Now, you know, my favourite brow gel is the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. That is my favourite, so we'll see. It's not sticky or anything, it just feels quite nice actually. So I'm just going to be using my Maybelline eye eraser. And then I'm going to just take my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder that I did pick up in the haul, but it's one of my holy grails, and I'm just going to set that shadow on my arm, well, that concealer on my eyes, not the shadow because I haven't done that yet. I'm going to be using my bronzer in the crease. So the bronzer I'm going to be using today is the Fenty Beauty one. So this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation. I'm using this as a bronzer because it's in the shade 255. All my brushes need washing, like seriously. Just going to get a big fluffy brush, pop that in there, and just literally pop that into my crease. And actually, I'm going to just pop that all over the lid and just blend that out. It looks so nice on the eyes. It's just a nice bronzy colour. This is a kind of look that I'll wear for like work and stuff like that. It doesn't take me too long to do. And I'm just using a big fluffy brush just to blend it out to look like I've put some effort in, but really I haven't. Put no effort in at all. So I'm going to go in with the Rocking Cosmetics Eye Kohl pencil in deep black, and I'm just going to do like a little bit of a wing. Can't remember who it was, but they got their eyelash curlers, curled their eyelashes like right at the root, and then gave it a squeeze, then tilted it and squeezed it. Then they got their Benefit 24-hour brow setter and brushed that onto their lashes, like with the comb part, just brushed it onto the lashes. So while that's drying, I'm going to put my base on. So I'm going to just prep my skin with a bit of this NYX Bear With Me Prime Set and Refresh multitasking spray. This is such a good spray. I take it to work with me and just spritz it throughout the day to revive my makeup and keep it on, and it's amazing. It's only £10 as well. And then this has gone literally viral all over TikTok. I've seen it. Loads of people on YouTube are raving about it. And of course, I'm talking about the collection Gorgeous Glow Filter Finish Complexion Booster. This is meant to be a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. I've never tried that. I want to try it. But this is supposed to be a dupe, guys. So this is gorgeous on the skin. I have been trying it all week. Just to give my full opinion on it, it is gorgeous. I've tried it with several different foundations. It goes gorgeous with today's foundation. But if you've not tried this, guys, you need to try this in your life because this is bloody gorgeous. And I put it on all the high points of my face. Well, to be honest, I put it all over my face. I like to look like a glowing goddess, and this fulfills my fantasy, guys. It really, really does. And I'm here for it. I'm still one of those girls that likes to glow like a glitter ball. Well, not a glitter ball, but I like to glow to the gods. I really, really do. I love that glowy skin because I'm a dry girl. I'm a dry-faced girl and I have dry skin. So I absolutely love to death that gorgeous, healthy, glowing skin. I'm still on the train of the highlighter. I love highlighter. Many people have gone past that stage now, but I'm still on it. I love it. Look how gorgeous and glowy that has made my skin. I would even like on holiday, I mean, I haven't been on holiday for a while, but on holiday, just wearing this alone with a natural gorgeous tan, chef's kiss, guys. Seriously, you need to get this because this is amazing. So guys, the foundation that's going to go with this, make you look like the most gorgeous glowing goddess that you are, is the Revolution Super Dewy Skin Tint. I bloody love this stuff. This stuff is amazing. It literally makes my skin look filtered. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is what I'm going to be using today. And if you're the same skin tone as me, I've got it in light beige and it's the perfect shade. And with this, I like to use my sponge. And I want to get the, is it Chloe Carmelo or whatever it is, the marshmallow sponge. I need that in my life. I've seen it so many times. People have been using it and it just looks amazing. So I've just finished in the skin tint, done some concealer under my eyes and just powdered with my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. Now I'm gonna pop a little bit of the Fenty powder on. So let's say I'm not looking for anything too heavy today, and this is just perfect for those days that you don't want anything too heavy, but you want something there. And I always do it high up on my cheekbones just to give me that little bit of a lift, which always helps and makes me look youthful. Take a little bit down the nose. I'm not precise with it. Bit under the jaw, bit under that double bloody chin, which hopefully is going to go away with all the exercise and all the bloody salads that I'm eating. I'll just go over with my buffing brush. This is just one from Beauty Bay. Make sure it's all nice and blended. So that's that. Then I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. blush. This is in the shade Berry Merry. Just a subtle shimmery blush. Going in with my favourite blush brush of all time, which is the Real Techniques one. I love this blush brush. I've had it for years. And I'm just going to pop a little bit of this on my cheeks because, like I say, I'm going to the doctors. So I don't want anything too crazy. But this is like my everyday kind of new routine of doing my makeup. So now the lashes are dry, I'm going to go in and curl them again. So I'm going to take the lash curlers, curl them again. They just look so nice. And I didn't get a new mascara, so if you guys have got a favourite mascara, I'll let you go know down below. So I'm using the Lash Princess from Essence. This stuff is amazing. It's the waterproof one and it's the False Lash Effect mascara. In my opinion, it's the best one. and I love it. I just love Essence products. So I just love Essence products. They are the best. They're cheap as chips and they are so nice. So yeah, my lashes just grip to the brush because they've got that Benefit 24-hour setter on. Do look a little bit spidery, not gonna lie. It's the first time I've done this without with. What do you guys think? I think potentially doing this every single day might be a little damaging for the lashes, so I probably wouldn't do it every day. But now and again, if I want my lashes to look like little spider legs, then maybe. But I just thought I'd try it because I can't remember who did it. I can't remember. It could have been Jordan Lipscombe, but I don't know. It was someone the other day that I watched that did it. So yes, that's my face, my eyes. Just got to do the lips. But before we do that, I'm going to set my face with the Revolution Matte Fixing Spray. This I've bought time and time again. I absolutely love it. It's a dupe, I think, for the Urban Decay All Night Fixing Spray. I think that's what it is. But this to me is a dupe for it. And this is £10 and you get quite a lot in it. So you get 200 mils, which is fantastic. So I'm just going to spritz my face. Well, actually, I'm going to drench my face because that's what keeps your makeup on. By drenching your face in setting spray, letting it dry. That sets your makeup so bloody good. So I'm going to drench my face, guys. So when I say drench your face, I mean drench it. It kept my makeup on, or when it was in that really, really hot weather, it kept my makeup on. At the minute in the UK, I think we're in for a week of rain, which is much needed. My grass is dead, literally dead. All the flowers that I bought, dead. Sunflowers, I thought they were supposed to survive in the sun, dead. I watered them all, Tony watered them all. But yeah, they're all dead. The grass, everything. So a week of rain is probably a good thing for nature and my grass and my plants and everything. So hopefully they all revive themselves. And yeah, my garden's looking like a graveyard for flowers at the minute. It's not very good. It's not good at all. So I'm just gonna let that dry. For lips, oh my God, guys. Put this on first. So this is the Too Faced lip injection because I'm too scared to get my lips done. I want to get them done, but Tony doesn't want me to get them done, but I want to get them done. Not massive, but I just want probably a 0.5 just to lift my lips, but Tony doesn't want me to do it. Doesn't mean I won't, but for the meantime, I'm going to use this. Yeah, it doesn't mean I won't. Not that. I listen to the boy. Or the man. But yeah, if I wanted it doing, I'd do it. And I told him that. But the design being, so this is my lips now. Just give it a couple of minutes. Seriously. Flipping amazing. It gives you that filtered look without going and getting the needles. But I think I probably will end up going to get them, because I just want them a little bit more perky juiciness. So while that's working its magic, we're going to put on some of the Beauty Crops Love is Love highlighter. So this is for their Pride. I've got a bloody hair on my... So this was for their Pride. Oh my God, how gorgeous is that packaging? It's such a beautiful little thing and it looks so gorgeous in the pan. I'm going to use my fan brush from Beauty Bay. And it's just a subtle little... Oh, powder just went all in my face. So it's just a subtle little kiss of gorgeousness on my cheeks. It's just beautiful. And then I'll run a bit of that down the nose, on the tip, on my cupid's bow, sides of my nose, tops of my brows. It's just simply gorgeous. And I really have got hair somewhere and it's bugging me. So my lips plumped, so I'm going to take that off. So just took that off and my lips look so much more gorgeous. So guys, this lipstick, you need it in your life. Honestly, it is bloody amazing. So it's the Revolution Matte Bomb Liquid Lip in Clueless Fuchsia. It's a gorgeous pinky nude. You need it. This does not budge, guys. I eat with it, I drink, I wear it all day. It does not budge. It is the most amazing liquid lipstick. It does not feel drying on the lips whatsoever. I'm just going to pop it on now. It does not feel drying, guys. It feels amazing and it looks lovely on the lips. How bloody gorgeous is that lipstick? It dries down super nice. Like I say, it's not drying. It's just beautiful. It really is. So I'm going to go in with another spritz of this. Not too much this time. So there you have it, guys. This is the finished look. What do you guys think?
All I need are some better days, cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
It's just beautiful. It looks so nice on the skin. The skin looks flawless, in my opinion. The eyes, they're just regular smegular. The brows look phenomenal. They're not hard like the 24-hour brow setter, so they probably will move during the day. I don't know. The lipstick, I love it. The lipstick stays on all day, guys. You need it in your life. I think it's about £6 and they're just beautiful. I think I will definitely pick up some more from that matte bomb. I love the matte, the glitter ones, or the lip glosses, the plumping lip glosses from that range as well. So yeah, this is basically like my everyday makeup that I wear for work. I change up the eyes now and again, but as for the base and the lips and the brows, they basically stay the same. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you're updated every time I upload a video, which is every Wednesday and Sunday here on my channel. And have a fabulous week, fabulous day, whatever you're doing. And I will see you in next week's video, guys. Bye!